Okay, so right now someone is asking a question that I should have answered before, but how to set up the rules so you have some tiered discount, tiered pricing, I would say. If the customer buys one, he gets 5 off, two, he gets 10% off, three, he gets 15, and so on. So actually, the rule is exactly written by Team TNB right there in our Slack team that we use for premium support. By the way, you can join it. Okay, so this is what he did. So basically, you see there that I'll show you guys how to put the right stuff in those fields. So let's go in a Virgin install of the plugin. So the first section, I mean, you see it's to generate link. What interests us right now is to use the second section. And you have here some example, but I'll skip to the meat right now and I'll add a rule. Basically, you cannot add like buy one here if you don't have already a coupon that is created. Because what the app does is it automatically applies a discount that actually exists. So what I need to do first is to create all the discounts that I want. So I'm going to create 5 off and I'm going to create 5% off on all orders and I click save. Then so on. I mean, I need to create as well 10% off. I could also specify a collection or a product or a customer group. For now, I'll let it like this because I want to skip right now to show you how it works. And I'm gonna also create a 15% off. So we're gonna have 3 tiers, and I mean you can do your tiered pricing with this. I'm gonna call it 10 off, 15 off, sorry. And I'm gonna go back to my apps, and I really need to put exactly the same coupon code, otherwise it won't work. You could make it clearer, but I mean this will be enough for now. The reason why we added 2 add rule buttons is because there's a reminder here and you definitely have to read this. Only one rule per order is applied and the rest is ignored. So that means if you have multiple rules, put the most important one at top. In your case, the bigger discount, I mean in most of the case, the biggest, discount should be put at top because our app will just apply one rule, and when it checks for other rules, it checks for other rules that are bigger, I would say. So for bigger discounts. And as soon as this discount is applied and it's the biggest rule, the rule at the top, no matter what happened, it will be applied. So here I'm going to put 10 off and 5 off. So this way I have my 3-tiered pricing to reflect what you wanted, which is 5 off, 10 to, oh, sorry. Okay, so 5 off, 3 attempts. Sorry, I made a mistake, but I mean, you would understand the principle. And instead of amount bigger here, you will select the number of items will be more or equal to. You could also select the same item will be more or less to. So for example, if you buy 2 t-shirts, the same exact t-shirt, you get one for free, or you get 15% off on the other one. So this way you put your discount code there, you put the number of items will be more than, and you put the value. So for example, here will be 1, here 2, 3. So if you buy 1, you get 5% off. If you buy 2, you get 10% off. If you buy 3, you get 15% off. I know it's not exactly what you just said here, but I mean, I'm a bit dyslexic, so pardon me. And you make sure to save those. And that's it. If you add another rule that is lower, you put it there. If you add another rule that is higher, for example, don't make this because I didn't create the discount, so it won't work. But if I did, let's say I did, I would put 20 off, and if you buy 4, you get 20 off, and then I save. And then that's it. Here you can enable or not the notification bar. We might change the name because it's not really a notification bar. It just shows when it triggers the discount to tell the customer that congratulations, a discount was applied to your order. It's really thin at the bottom of the screen. Actually, it helps us to make a bit uh, the customer, I mean, to make the customer know that something happened. So, but you can also disable because, I mean, the reason why we didn't put a lot of emphasis on this part is because most of the store already use announcement bar, hello bar, whatever you call it, a bar at the top that says that the promotion that is actually currently running. So basically that's it. You should be able to make it happen in this specific order.